have here is the triple X resistance bands, the social media accounts that we have. So this is the extreme band which works for 50 to 125 pounds. So it's our thickest band which we're offering, with our printed movements, 33 movements printed in each band. And start here with the lower body, follow the arrow as you work your way out. Start with the squat, the lunge, Romanian deadlift, the calf, the lateral lunge, hip abduction, hip adduction, hamstring curls, the donkey kick, glute bridge. And then we work for some total body workouts, total body. Follow the arrows again, thruster, sumo squat pull, swing, pull through, mountain climber, and the assisted pull-up. We also have a warning here, warning notice, this is not a toy. Parental medical supervision suggested, comes with training video and social media, and you can wash it with soap. So when it's dirty and clean, just wash it with soap. Flip it around, and we start with some upper body, bicep curls, tricep extensions, tricep kick back, shoulder press, front side raises, push-ups, face pull, internal rotation. LR means left and right, so do left and right side. External rotations, left and right. Chest fly, tricep push down. Then we have some core and back movements, pull apart, bent over row, side bends, left and right, reverse wood chops, left and right, Russian twists, kneeling crunches. Okay, so it's 33 moves printed on the bands, and they're printed on the 4 sides of the bands from our trainer band up to the advanced band, professional band, and this is the extreme band. Okay, so hopefully that explains to you the concept and what I had in mind. Okay, thank you, and please support our social media. All these moves are on social media.